Hello, my name is Craig Sexton, one of the co-owners of SNX Technologies. We're a Minnesota-based company that manufactures contour edgebanders. We're very excited to be part of this virtual event. What we'd like to show you today is not only the differences between our System 1 and System 2, but also give you an insight of our factory and how these machines are manufactured. What we're going to do today is just show you quickly how easy the machine operates. From an operator standpoint, we're just going to simply put the part in, step on the foot pedal, and get the machine rolling. And from here, the machine pretty much takes care of itself. Now, one of the key features on this machine and how we're able to get a nice tight butt joint is we have a laser. And what that laser does, it actually reads this leading edge. And then after it reads the leading edge, it's actually going to set an encoder off and it's going to do counts. And if your joint is off for some reason, it's very simple to adjust that joint by simply pushing a button here. As I mentioned, your laser on setting is just an offset, and that offset can be easily adjusted by 1/10 of a millimeter. And what that's doing is it's telling the encoder, after this laser reads the leading edge, the encoder will count to 63.9 millimeters and make a cut. Now, if that joint is not perfect, again, you can just adjust that by 1/10 of a millimeter, which is only 4/1000ths of an inch. Now that we've set our offset for this joint on a straight, we can then go and store it inside the machine. And once that's stored inside the machine, we can switch parts to a totally different geometry. And as long as we're joining on a straight, the offset's going to be identical. All we need to do is hit 2 PLC, and those offsets will automatically go into your auto screen. So let's go ahead and run this part. As you can see, with a completely different geometry than the rectangle, because we're jointing on a straight, you get the exact same results. So the demonstrations we've been doing so far have been on a twin arm machine. And one of the big advantages a twin arm machine has is why an operator's over here banding a part, another operator can be on the other side of the machine trimming a part. So the throughput literally is about 80% more than a single arm machine.
Hello, Mike Nolting, co-owner of SNX Technologies. Craig's already spoken to you with regards to the banding cell. I now would like to talk to you about the trimming cells. We've got two different options here. We've got the manual adjustments with digital readouts, but we also have a full CNC servo-driven system. So what I'd like to do is show you how we actually operate the trim cell. Open up our heads, put the part in. I check the cut quality. I'm a little bit high, so what I'll do here is I will just adjust digitals. They are actually factoring down to 1/10,000ths of an inch. I've now achieved the cut quality that I like. I can come in here, zero out my digital readouts. At that point, it has 000. I know now whenever I'm doing 3/4 board, 1 millimeter banding, I continue to go back to that number. Now I'm on our single arm machine. With this machine, the same operator bands the part and then brings it over to the trim station. What we've got on this machine also is our servo setup, where the operator types in board thickness, banding thickness, hits calculate, move, and then everything is set up automatically. At this point, the operator is ready to start trimming.